Hello everyone, welcome back with AutoCAD basic floor plan tutorials. Today I will create for size 3x7 meter. Okay, you can click new and I will choose a cut iso.wt template. This template in millimeter. For the first I will create new layer and I will set layer name in here into S. You can set this layer color into gray. Okay, now you can double click to set current. In here I will create line start from this point to the top. We can set into 7000. Okay, you can press enter to close and use double middle mouse, double click to use zoom extend. We create lines again to the right 3000, to the bottom 7000, and then you can click at this point. I will copy this line objects to the bottom 1400. Copy again this line 2300, and the next 4300, 600. Okay, you can copy these lines to the right here 1400, and then in here 1000 to the left. Use trim command to cut this line objects, and also I will cut in here. Okay, you can select this line and press delete button. Now I will create new layer. In here I will set the names into wall, and you can change for color. I will set into orange. You can double click to set current, and I will use join command to combine these all lines objects, and then use offset command to offset with offset distance 75. You can select these objects to the top and to the bottom. Okay, also at this point. The next in here. Okay, to the top. And the last at this point. Now you can select this outline line. Okay, also at this point. You can change this line layers into wall. You can click in properties dialog box, and layer in here I will set into wall. Okay, you can hide for this S layer. You can click this icon to hide, and then I will create line start from this point. Okay, we connect between these line objects, also at this point, and the last in here. Use trim command to cut this line. Okay, you can cut one by one this wall, and the last in at the bottom. Now I will insert block into this floor plan. You can get this block from download link below this video. You can click this block, and I will click at this point. Use mirror command to mirror these objects to the top, and then I will move from this point. You can move into this point. You can click and we can change size. I will click this arrow, move to the bottom, and this arrow I will set into here 1000. Okay, use a rotate command to rotate these objects to the top, and then you can move from this point, move into this point. The next we can resize these objects. I will set into 700. Okay, you can use a trim command to cut this line, and also at this point. Now I will insert window. You can click this block. Okay, I will insert in middle points. Also this window we can insert in here. Okay, I will move from this point into here, and then I will create line from this point to the top, and also in here. to the top. The next at this point, and then in here. You can select this all window, and you can right click isolate and hide objects. Use trim command to cut this line, and in here. Next, you can right click isolate and choose an object isolation. Now I will insert text into these floor plans, but first I will create new layer. In here we can set name into text. We can change for color. I will set into design. Click this text to set current. I will set into keep a layer on. Okay, you can type M text to provide text, multi-line text. I will click at this point, and then we can set the name into bedroom. You can select this text, and we can change text height into 100. Okay, and you can use move tools to move into center point. You also can copy this text object to here. Okay, at this point, and then next in here. Double click, we can change the names into toilet. In here I will change into kitchen. Okay, in here you can set the name into living room. And in here we can set into terrace. Okay. The next I will create hatch, but first in here I will create a two layer. First I will set into floor, and the second I will change the color in here. Okay, for floor we can set into this color. For the next layer I will set into wall hatch. Okay, we can change color into green. Click OK. Now you can double click in floor to set color currents, and I will create line. Start from this point, middle point to here. Okay, then next we create again at this point. The next you can tap hatch, press enter, and change patterns. I will set into net for this area, and we can change for scale into 15. Click at this point. You can click close for hatch creations. We create hatch again. Okay, I will set for the next hatch. In here we can set into this NC37. Click at this point. Also in here. And then you can click close hatch creations. Okay, for walls we can use NC31. Okay, you can click here. And for scale 15, click at this point. Also in here you can click close hatch creations, and then you can select this hatch, and we can change for layer into wall hatch. Okay, this already applied. And the last, we can insert dimension into these floor plans. You can active for S. You can click this icon to active. The next you can tap D to open a dimension style, and I will use annotative, set current, click modify. For dimension lines color we can set into this color. Okay, also in here you can set into here. And then for offset from origins I will set into 4. In symbol I will change into architectural text, and for text in here we can change for text color into greens. Use text placement into center. And for primary units, we can set precision into 0. Click OK and close. The next, you can tap DimLin to create a dimension linear. Okay, in here we need to set here into set currents. Click close, and I will set for dimension into 150. You can tap DimLin to create a dimension linear. Click from middle point in here. Okay, move into here. We create again from this point into this point. Okay, the next from this point into here, and then in here. The next from corner point into corner point, and in the left. Okay, the next at this point. Okay, the last from this point into here, and corner point into corner point. Okay, you can double click to zoom extents, or you can press F7 to hide cuts. And now we already create this simple floor plan with size 3x7 meters in AutoCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.